Find the volume. What we have here is a cone. Now, if you're taking this geometry course, chances are you're in high school. Maybe you're in eighth grade. Maybe you're in seventh if you're that good. But at some point, you've probably been asked to find the volume of a cone. Whether you have this formula memorized or not, I do. So let me take care of you. The volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay. Now, if you're looking at this, by the way, and you're like, wow, that's awfully the same as a cylinder. It is, because a cone is a cylinder with a bunch of sides hacked off. That's why it's 1/3 pi r squared h. It literally would take you 3 of these to fill up a cylinder of the same exact dimensions. That's for a different day. Now, what I have here is 1/3 pi r squared h. What I have is I have my height. My height is 18. What I don't have is my radius. This 18, it has to do with my diameter. So I don't care about 18. I care about half of it, which is 9. So what I do is I take those numbers, I plug it into my formula. V equals 1/3 pi 9 squared h, which is 18. I have no clue what that is. Pi is a nightmare anyway, so I'm going to go off to the side and I'm going to ask Siri what it is. And she says 1,526 point, I lost it, 8140, so I'll do 814. All right. Volume, miles, so I'm going to make sure I call it miles cubed, okay, because volume is always measured in cubic units. So again, this is something very standard for a 7th or 8th grade class, depending on what state you live in. In 8th grade, you do cones, or in Pennsylvania, you do cones in 8th grade, and that's where I live, at the Commonwealth. So there you have it, pretty easy.